So I've always been an outdoor person, so that's naturally translated into a love of gardening, and it's just been so fun and interesting to try to bring some of my favorite plant species from those natural areas into our garden.
So what inspired the design of this garden is our interest in bringing as many of the plants that our native birds and bees and butterflies depend on into the yard, so that we could have a diverse landscape with lots of different types of plants and the plants we love, and also have lots of butterflies and birds and things to visit the yard as well. So we've really tried to recreate some of the plant communities that are found here in Sonoma County here in our backyard, and really took our inspiration from those natural places.
We think a lot about trying to have a long season of different things flowering from early spring or even late winter all the way through the late fall. So it's really nice to have different species coming up and leafing out and flowering over a long time period.
Sometimes it just takes a while to find which plants do well in which parts of the yard. So sometimes we'll have a plant that's doing really well and we love it and we decide we want another one and we plant it somewhere else and it just doesn't thrive there. So there's definitely some learning which plants like which environments. And then I say another challenge for us has been, we have small kids and they've grown a lot since we've lived here for the last 10 years. And so the way that we use the yard changes as they grow and will continue to grow. So there's a lot of refining of the way that we use our spaces and some refining of the way that we've done our landscaping. Our garden helps reduce water use because we've planted plants that are adapted to the precipitation that we get here in Sonoma County. And so we have plants here that are able to thrive with the natural rain we get in the winter and that seasonal, annual drought that we get every, summer and fall. And so we don't have to irrigate our native plants. And so that saves us a lot of water. We do use irrigation for our vegetable garden and our fruit trees, but we don't have to irrigate our native plants at all.